Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Flash on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Flash basically means that you're just trying to use a Snapchat app and you're having the issues. Now, what do you do in order to fix this? First of all, just make sure that you have enough battery, that means above 20 to 30%. Now open Settings. Scroll to General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Now look for Snapchat here. Offload the app and reinstall it. Then exit Settings and open Snapchat. Tap on the Bitmoji icon. Now tap Settings. Once you are on this page, tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Clear Cache. It will ask to restart the app. Tap on OK. Hopefully, this will solve all your Snapchat issues. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.